My air conditioner is right here. Literally, right there.
It's a water well for the water supply. Earlier in this village, they did not have any electricity. So they used to come with a rope and bucket to take out the water from the water well. But now they have the electricity, so look, they have the electrical motor. So they can switch on the button and then they can get the water from the water well directly to their home. There's so many cows and the water buffalo there.
Okay, I'm not really sure where we're at. We just went and we had our walk around tour, and we got done with that, and we decided to go get some beer because we had some time to kill. Now we're going to do the cooking class. I think I mentioned it before. If I haven't, I'll edit this out, but it sounds like it'll be a little bit different than what we did in Thailand, where everybody had a cooking station. This would be more like an observational thing. I think we each do a little part because I don't think they have the facilities to have them all separate. Everybody have their own thing. It's finally starting to cool down. Yeah. We're gonna take a couple tuk-tuks to our cooking class. Oh! They don't set the parking brakes. When you hop in these tuk-tuks, they just start rolling. Go cooking class, go cooking class, go.
Oh, hello, cooking class, baby!
Hey, there's my morning cow.
Are you ready for mommy to
Shoes off. I'm going to sit in the back in the class so I don't have to answer questions. More flowers. Okay, we're making masala chai first. Not really sure which recipes we're going to get out of this or what we're going to take home, but if you could smell right now, I'm actually coughing a lot because there's a lot of spice in the air. It smells excellent. Okay, even the chef is getting the coughs from the spice. I don't feel bad. This squash is they're calling it pumpkin, but we're going to have to figure out what variety of that is in the United States. Cooking class is very cool. We made so much food and we've eaten a lot today, and I think this heat is just killing my appetite. This engine's really, it needs to tune up very bad. Namaste. Thank you.
Nice day.
We get to be in the VIP lounge, which is alright. No air conditioning, lots of crazy ceiling fans, and a place to buy snacks. Sounds like our train is about 10 minutes late. I don't really know what time it's supposed to be here. I don't even know what time it is. It seems like we've been standing here for like an hour though. Good morning from the overnight train to Varanasi. What a pain. What a nightmare. I'm on the third bunk on top. The ceiling's right here. I can't sit up. I can't really get down. I can't stretch out all the way. I'm using my bag for, I have a little pillow here, but I'm using my bag as a pillow too. I do have a blanket, a wool blanket, which is actually pretty decent. But when we got on the train, everybody just piles in, and it's just literally gridlocked because no one can get to their seat. So everybody's just getting mad because they can't get to their seat. and people try and plow through, and everybody's got luggage. We probably just all stood there almost for about 20-30 minutes just looking at each other, trying to figure out how to get one person out so someone else can get into their place. Oh, a complete pain. See if I can show you. See, I can barely move. I'm trying not to lose my wallet or my phone or anything in here. See over there, there's 2 bunks. This is 3 and 3. I don't know if they even come around and like fold them up or whatever, or if I'm just stuck sitting here. Like I literally, I can't sit up. So, and there's like hours left of this trip. Every time we stop at a train station or something, someone hops on the train and starts walking through, trying to sell chai or just begging for money. I think we're getting close to it. We might be an hour behind. I'm not positive, but the air conditioners come on, so it's a little more pleasant than it was before. Finally off the train. It wasn't the worst thing in the world, but it definitely, I wouldn't book 3rd class in an India train again. We're just kind of at a big cattle call to get out of the train station. We got a new bus, obviously, and this is crazy. My air conditioner is right here, literally, right there.
Ride it out until we get to the shack.
Is this one of us too?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Well, one more.
Mostly smell good, even though we just had lunch. So as you can probably tell, we're in Varanasi and we're doing a little bit of street tour, orientation tour, I guess is a better way to say it. We're just kind of waiting on some more people to join us. We took some tuk-tuks over here and the town seems pretty crazy. I'm taking a little bit of a risk because I'm still using this camera, despite the fact that tomorrow is Holi. And there's a chance that we're going to get color and water on us. If that happens, and I might have to abruptly switch to the GoPro because this camera is not going to take the water very well at all. And I really like this camera, of course. Stepping down. What's up, dog?
In the lanes, after some time, you will feel like you are roaming in the maze. But that's how this old part have been designed, since from the ages, from so many generations. We saw last couple of months, due to the fair was happening in our city, that was like daily basis we were having 600 to 700,000 visitors to the city.
These back alleys actually smell really good. We have a little couple lassie. Hey, you probably can't even see me. Oh, this is cozy.
Cozy means small, right?
Best lassie I've had so far. Definitely.
Lassie in Varanasi.
You're responsible for that
Best
one.
lassie in Varanasi.
Thank you. Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Cheers. So hot.
Mixing.
It's still not the best one, but it's definitely, I think it's up there.
Not Jaipur.
No, yeah. We're getting really picky about our chai now already. It's like we're connoisseurs, we're professionals.
How we say thank you in Hindi, guys? Dhanyawad. Dhanyawad. Yeah, Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad, yeah. Oh my god, these are steep. And the chains aren't anchored, so if someone ahead of you pulls it or behind it pulls you, it almost pulls you. Holy crap. Take a rest. Wow. Okay, I gotta turn you guys off so I can get to the top safely. I'll fall on my face. Made it. I've seen so many videos and photos of this area. Every time I walk over there, it's a little windy. I'm gonna have to back up, otherwise you won't be able to hear. Every time I've seen videos or photos of this area, it's been super, super dirty and super busy. And John was telling me earlier, or asked me, he's like, have you ever seen it this clean in videos or pictures? And I was like, no. Usually if you see people when they come here on YouTube, there's people burning, there's ceremonies going on, there's all sorts of just stuff around. People working, people doing laundry, people bathing, people praying, all the stuff. And when I look down there now, it looks like it's the cleanest part of India right now. So I don't know if that's because of the holiday or if it just happened to work out that way. Just hopped on a boat and we're taking a little ride down the Ganges.
Let me introduce you again, our local guide here, Aman. Namaste everyone.
Namaste.
Welcome in India, especially in Banaras. So I'm going to be a local guide for you all and I'm going to explore the Varanasi city.
So we're here to see this ceremony. It was supposed to start like 10 minutes ago, or 10 minutes after we got here actually. They have literally been playing this exact same song without stops. Can't tell where it starts, stops, or loops for probably half an hour. I don't know. They're gonna start Radhe Radheing again here. If you listen long enough.
Saki por the bank.